Tried new food at the Greed Food Market in Rockwell Power Plant Mall. Isa ang Pilyas Kitchen sa mga highly recommended food stalls here sa The Grid. Finally, we were able to try it. I decided to try this tingly cumin beef in dry noodles. I made the right decision because this was so good. Tender, juicy beef. Tapos, this thick, chewy, hand-pulled noodles with a very tasty, mild spicy cumin sauce. Lasang curry siya actually. Samahan pa ng cilantro na favorite ko. Napakasarap nitong dish na to. Natikman to ng son ko who ordered their Taiwanese beef noodle soup. At sabi niya, sana yan na lang in-order ko ma. Pero actually, their Taiwanese beef noodle soup is also good. Hubby decided to try stall number 16, China Mommy. We ordered the Chinese lumpia and makimi noodle soup. I was surprised kasi sabi ni hubby, never pa daw siya nakatikim ng makimi. Never ako nagluto nito sa bahay kasi si hubby hindi siya mahilig sa mga vinegar na food. And surprisingly, nasarapan siya dito. The soup was very comforting daw. This traditional Chinese lumpia from China Mommy is also good. Hindi sobrang tamis nitong sauce na to compared sa iba at sobrang kumpleto ng ingredients itong Chinese lumpia na to. If tama yung panlasa ko, may nalasahan ako ditong crab sa mga ingredients. And BLK 513 for our dessert. Ano pa yung must-try stall nyo dito sa The Grid?